What's going on, guys? Brian here, and today we're going to go over more online arbitrage and how you can make 5 to 10 grand right from your computer like I sit here and talk to you right here, right now. So I'm going to take you through another coupon website. I've done many of these. I believe this is like my 4th or 5th, losing track now. But there's actually 17 of these coupon sites in the course, in my Online Arbitrage Pro course. If at any point in time you guys want to go ahead and grab the course, that will literally walk you through the process of how to make 5 to 10 grand through Amazon arbitrage right from your computer. You literally, I shit you not, you can do it right from your computer. You don't have to leave your house if you don't want to. You can schedule everything to, basically work around your schedule and from your house. It's super, super cool. But there's a lot of these coupon sites, a lot of potential. This is actually, I started the course with, I believe, like 9 extra coupon sites on top of the 3 or 4 original ones that I had, in my original Retail Arbitrage Pro course that I sold on Udemy. But now there's actually 17 brand new coupon sites. I'm literally adding them like crazy. I'm going through, I'm finding them, I'm networking with other sellers and finding great coupon sites like this, which is giveaway service, which I'm going to go through here with you in a second. I'm going to show you the entire method. I'm going to show you how I source products, how I basically go through the process of, is this a good product for me? Is there a margin? Can I resell it? Can I make money on it? Because that's what we're all here to make. We're all here for financial freedom. We're all here to make money online. And I want to teach you the online arbitrage method that's really given me the financial freedom that, I've really realized here in 2018. So we're going to go through that here in a second. But this actually, like I said, I added about 17. I'm adding new ones almost daily, not daily. That'd be wild. I'm sure there's only a limited number of them, but I have been adding them almost daily. There's 17 now, and this is actually one of the worst ones that I've added recently. But I'm going to show it to you here because there's a lot of value. So for those cherry pickers out there that are just watching the videos and not actually buying the course, totally fine. Totally understandable. I've been in your shoes before myself, but I want to give you some value for free so that you can take this and make some money on the side if you didn't want to actually go through the course and find the process yourself. But like I said, this is the worst one of the ones that I've added, so imagine the potential there. Now, here, this one's giveawayservice.com. I actually used this in the past a long time ago when I was starting arbitrage, but it's actually updated since then, and it looks like there's actually a lot more great products now, so I kind of circled back and refound this one, and I was like, oh, I remember this one, it wasn't that good. Well, actually, it seems like they've updated and there's great products now, so I'm going to run you through that because I was just kind of playing around with it and searching through, and I found a couple of good ones. So I'm going to run through and see if there's a couple great ones that I can find, and I have no idea exactly what to expect. We're going to source some of these products, and I'm going to give you my thought process on how I actually make the money with this, how I find items. So obviously, in a nutshell, this method is you buy items from coupon sites like Giveaway Service. You buy them for a very, very small, price because they're couponed items, which you can then resell back on Amazon. So you're looking for items in a lot of ways that you can resell back on Amazon that you're actually buying on Amazon as well because you can check the numbers. You'll see all that here in a second. But you can also, and students in my course do this as well, because like I say, you can make 5 to 10 grand, and that is not just a blank statement. There's students doing that, and I do that myself every single month. I just talked to a consulting client recently that was almost like a month away. I can't talk. Getting excited, I'm getting out of breath. But literally a month away from making 9 grand, literally a couple months into it. So it's very, very exciting stuff. But on top of that 5 to 10K that you can potentially make with the online arbitrage through the Amazon coupon sites, you can also make another grand basically selling on, Mercari or eBay or OfferUp or, Poshmark or anything like that. So you cannot just sell these, you can't just sell these on Amazon. You can sell these on other sites as well if that's something that you're into. If you're into eBay reselling, by all means, this works great for you. So I'm going to sort through a couple of these items. Let's look for them and see if we can find a good one that we can buy and potentially resell. Check the USB charger. So I'm going to right click and hit open a new tab to apply for this item. Now on product, without getting too much into this, I did an entire lecture on this in my course that I just added to, I think it was like 2 hours ago. So with giveaway service, you actually do have to apply for these. And so you'll see that you can apply for the promotion, you can wait to be approved, and obviously then you can either give the review or complete a social media post. Now, that's something that I'm going to touch on here in a second, but I want to go through some of the products to obviously keep that audience retention up because I know that I'm saying a lot and not showing a lot here right now. So we're going to jump in and show you, and then I'll talk about all the different nuances of it. But this works a lot like the other coupon sites. So you have to apply for the promotions. You can't just claim them like Vipon, like I've showed previously. You can't just claim them all and then sell them and there's no checks and balances. With this, you actually have to apply, potentially be approved, and then you actually either have to review it or post it on social. Not that big of a deal. Now, if you do plan on reviewing it, do not resell it on Amazon. Something I hit home in my course many times. If you plan on reviewing it, don't resell it on Amazon, because Amazon sees that as review manipulation, and that will get your account suspended. So be very careful with that. So make one of two choices. Either A, I'm going to resell it on Amazon, and I'm not going to review it, so that means that I must post it on social media somewhere. Not that big of a deal. They win because they get their product exposure. You win because you get that margin, and I'll show you here that there's a lot of great margins to find, and you make a lot more money, so it's a win-win for both of you. But if you do plan on, potentially reviewing it, you don't want to actually resell it on Amazon, then you can resell it on eBay or Mercari or any of those other places. But that's not what I'm interested in, because I like the Amazon method, even though there's other avenues and other marketplaces that you can sell these items. So we're going to check this one. It looks like a unisex, waterproof, lightweight, whatever. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to see, okay, the retail price is $25.99 or $24.99, sorry. So $25 is what you can resell it at. You're buying it for $6.25 through the coupon site. So their margin, my general rule of thumb is always plus $10 margin. That kind of accounts for, A, you want to make some profit, obviously. B, some of the slight shipping or some of the slight fees that Amazon's going to charge you to have it in FBA. And 3, some of the shipping charges, which is very minimal, because I teach to ship a bunch of products in at once. To A, if you ship one product in at once, it's going to be like $5 for your product, for your box. If you ship 20 in at once, well, then you're paying like 10 cents a product, and it's not a big deal at all. So I don't ever really worry about the shipping and the margins, but just general rule of thumb is profit margin of 10 plus bucks to be safe. Now, you'll also notice that some of these are actually Amazon products and some of them actually aren't, which is a good thing, because you can buy them on other sites and check Amazon, or you can obviously see that some of them are on Amazon, which is ideal. This one is a bad one because it doesn't have reviews. Now, it might be a good product. You might be able to resell it, and I'm going to run through a couple of different examples here. But it doesn't have any reviews, so I don't ever go after products with no reviews, because it doesn't look like the seller is too invested in the listing. And my whole thing with this is you want to buy something that you know is going to sell, so that you can flip it really fast and make the profit very quickly, right? We all want the money, but we want it fast. So this is another red flag right here. It doesn't have a bestseller rank. Usually there'll be a BSR right here, a bestseller rank. And my general rule of thumb is under 100,000 bestseller rank. To be sure, I always run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and you'll see when I do that this doesn't even have a rank because it's never sold. Ergo the no bestseller rank. 2 red flags. No reviews, no bestseller rank means it hasn't sold, and that scares me off. I don't want to invest in that listing. All right, so let's try another one here. So we're going to try the phone holder really fast. I'm going to hit apply, and we're going to scroll down here, and you'll see that you can buy this for $17.99, and the discount, you can buy it for $5.40, and the retail price that you can resell it on Amazon is $17.99. So then that begs the question, is it an Amazon product with giveaway service? Obviously, every coupon site's slightly different. Like I said, there's 17 in the course where I run you through the entire process that helps you make money with this. That's how you can scale up to 5 to 10 grand a month. This might help you make, 500 to 1,000. By all means, I hope you take this and do that. But I'm telling you, there's a shitload of info in the course that's gonna blow your mind. So this is an Amazon product. You can sell it for $17.99. All good signs. 32 customer reviews, which means that somebody is invested in this listing. I like to see that. So we're gonna scroll down and see if we can actually sell it, because that's the next step. And I run through all this in my course, guys. I go through all these steps with you over and over again to teach you how to do this, so that you can make sure that you're buying profitable items when you do so. So I'm going to check the ASIN, but you'll also see here that it does meet my rule of thumb for bestseller rank. Now, that rule of thumb goes for the people that don't want to buy the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for whatever reason. I recommend that you buy the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, because you can run the numbers and make sure that it's selling that much a month. But general rule of thumb is under 100,000, which you'll see here it is, so that's a good sign. Now, if I run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, it looks like it's selling, so bestseller rank, like I said, 80,000 or 81,000 roughly. It has 52 monthly sales and under 5 sales a day. So 52 monthly sales is fine, excuse me, because that means, there's roughly 30 days in a month, so that means it's selling at least 1 a day, so that's a good sign for me. The whole goal, like we said before, is flip it fast. We want to get paid fast. So if it's selling 52 a month, that's at least 1 a day, so I know that I can buy it, ship it into Amazon, and FBA will fulfill that order in about a day or 2 max, and that's a good sign for me. So this is a great product to buy if I can resell it, which is the next step. So I took the ASIN of that product, and I'm going to run the numbers here. And you can see that, yes, new used conditions, I can sell this product, so that means it is a great product. So I could buy this product for $5.40. I could resell it back on Amazon for $17.99, thus making a profit margin of about $12, a little bit over, maybe $12.50. Obviously not counting the shipping fees, but like I touched on, you're not even paying attention to that because you can send in a bunch of items at once, basically negating all your shipping charges, which is a great thing. And on top of that, the Amazon fees, you know, are slight, so your profit margin is probably going to be like $7-8 on this product after all the Amazon fees. So that's why I say stay above $10. Highly recommend that you check out Giveaway Service. It's a phenomenal place to buy items. You know, you can obviously buy them and resell them back on Amazon, like I said, but don't review them. If you do want to buy them and resell them on another website like eBay, then by all means review them, do whatever you want to do. But this is another great website from the course. This is literally the worst one that I added to the course. But, you know, I'm telling you, this is a great website. Highly recommend that you check it out. And if you guys at all want to grab the course, first link in the description, 17 brand new websites that will teach you how to source products like this, that are better than this one, and how you can make 5 to 10 grand right from your computer doing online arbitrage.